Hello, today we continue with CNC and the topic is round path. Now this is one more pre-processing function block, and what it does between two G1 segments, it detects the angle and then it applies circular movement between those two angles based on diameter that you specified in your G code. Now for this G code we will use another CNC file called steps. Let me briefly show you how this looks like. So as you can see, it's fairly simple G code, full of G01, steps of 10, it looks like steps, and then we return back. Now you activate your round path with G52 and you define the parameter. Here we said do. This is fairly a big parameter of our circular movement. Let's now show you first how this G code looks like without round path. So first let's enable our drives, set them position again to 0. Let's see our path. So we have our steps and then we go to CNC. So CNC steps.cnc file is already on a PLC. And enable check velocity, and then we enable interpolator. Now let's load the trace and see how this looks like. And as you can see, we are executing. If we go to path, you will see that it will go to the corner and then go right. Now let's go to the trace and let's stop the trace. If we concentrate on the corner, here, exactly at this position, now let me add a cursor. Here, we can see that in fact both speeds of each axis is almost 0. And probably for majority of your application, this is really not acceptable that the complete path of the CNC stops and then it again accelerates to a certain speed. Now here, where one of the function blocks in pre-processing like a round path come into the action, and it can be very handy. Now let us execute again the same code with a round path function block in pre-processing. So that means we will log out, prepare everything, and then we will log in and execute the movement. Round path is, like in previous video, executed between interpreter and check velocities. Check velocities you always keep as a last function block in your pre-processing. Let's do it. Let's log in. Run. Let's go to multi-axis control. First we enable our drives. Set position. Path. Our path is here. Let's immediately download the trace. Let's go to CNC, prepare. And then we execute. So if we go to our path, because our diameter is 2, so somewhere here it will start to go around and it finishes here, as you can see. And again, it will do it like this. Let's go to the trace. We have enough. Let's stop the trace. So as you can see, in a switching point, there is no point where both axes are stopping. In fact, with a round path, the path speed is approximately always the same. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next CNC video. Bye!